We're trying to figure out if we wrote this fraction as a decimal, how many non-zero digits will D have? How many non-zero digits will D have? Okay, well, we know this is a little bitty number, and whenever it's a little bitty number, we always want to think about scientific notation. A scientific notation always has a 10 in it. So I want to rewrite this. I want to grab 3 of the 5s because I have 3 2s. And now I want to grab 3 of those 5s. You're always going to grab the least exponent because obviously you can't grab 7 5s, or you can't grab 7 2s because you only have 3 of them. So that will leave me a 5 to the 4th. So that's 1 over 2 cubed and a 5 cubed. Now watch, I'm going to write that as 2 times 5 with a 3 on the outside because both of those are raised to the first power, and when you have power to power, you'd multiply. 1 times 3 is 3, 1 times 3 is 3. And then we have this 5 to the 4th over here. Alright, so now what I have is 1 over 10 cubed, because 2 times 5 is 10. And let's rewrite this 5 to the 4th as 1 over 5, the whole thing to the 4th. Because a 1 in the numerator won't mess with anything. Now this 1 over 10 cubed, all that does is just mess with your decimal. Now 1/5 is the same thing as 2/10, right? So I'm going to write that as 0.2 to the 4th. And then I'm going to bring this 10 up here, and that's going to change the sign of the exponent. That'll be 10 to the negative 3. That means you're going to move your decimal to the left. So now you need to figure out what is 0.2 to the 4th. Well, 0.2 times 0.2 is 4, and a 0.04, and then multiply that by 0.2, and that's a 4 times 2 is 8, and that's like that. And then you will multiply that again, 0.2, of course that's going to give you a 16, and it's going to give you 1, 2, 3, 4. There it is, 0.0016. So we can stop right now, because we already know we're going to have 2 non-zero digits. We've got 0.0016 times 10 to the negative 3. That right there is what we're looking for. So the answer is 2, which is B.